Hey guys, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston, and today I wanted to show you a 2020 Grady White Freedom 235 we have for sale. Let's go ahead and check it out. So this boat does come with the trailer, the spare mag wheels on the trailer, so it looks great. It's got the windlass anchor up front, of course the hardtop. Customer added the manual sure shade to the back of the boat. It is powered by a 300 horsepower Yamaha with very low hours. It does have an 8-foot power pole on it. Alright guys, we're inside this 235 Freedom on the back. Like I said, we have a power pole back there, 300 horsepower. There is storage. That's the canvas for the bow and the cockpit cover. This does have the ski tow pylon that pops up. Of course, livewell and fish box right there. Flip up seat right there, 3-position seat over there. It does have the Yeti cooler and the wet bar over here. Upgraded helm seat. That's a 12-inch Garmin right there. The CL7 display, power pole remote. It does have the filler cushion. This right here is for when he has his custom pole up to tint the bow shade. Again, windlass anchor. Let's go ahead and look at the head, which I'm 99% sure it's never been used. Got your mirror right there, another power pole remote. Looking throughout the boat, there's zero corrosion. Everything's in great shape, and that's because this boat was kept on freshwater in Conroe, Texas, Lake Conroe, Texas. The boat's in immaculate condition, and it's ready for its new home. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is 936-223-6770. Have a great day.